Hi everyone, welcome back to another curriculum mapping with G Suite tutorial. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate a concept regarding push notifications. So in this example I am using the curriculum admin's email account as a way of notifying all editors of a unit planner that a comment has been made. And I can actually set the time of that email notification. So here's how it works. I've set up a spreadsheet. So here's a Google Sheet that is an import from the file cabinet view of 3 columns. All in all, you really only need the title and the editors column. But just by habit, I've also brought over the document ID column. Now attached to this Google Sheet is a script that I have adapted from Stack Overflow. I found a Google script forwarding mail script, and it's under these principles that I decided that I could adapt this for this purpose. So what happens in the script is that when it runs, and again I would set a time trigger on this to run at around 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning, just so the messages are at the top of the inbox. But what it does is it scans for unread messages from a very specific user meeting a very specific criteria. And in this case, my criteria is a message from teacher 4 and that it is unread. And as the script iterates, it marks the message as read at the bottom so it won't keep sending it over and over and over again. So this is great. So especially if you could replace teacher 4, for example, with your director of teaching and learning or curriculum coordinator or whoever you want. And it'll just scan for those messages and then deliver the messages at the time that you set. So over here in this incognito window, I'm actually logged in as teacher 4, who has a very clean inbox right now. There's nothing in it. But I'm going to run this script, and we're going to take a look at what has happened. But first, let's explore this inbox. So teacher 4 has there's two unread messages from teacher 4 and one unread message from teacher 1. So when the script runs, it's actually going to mark these two as read and do absolutely nothing with the teacher 1 comment. So until a comment is made by teacher 4, those messages will remain unread in this inbox. So I'm going to go ahead and just run the script manually. And before we go over to the inbox, well, we can see already that they've arrived, but let's just look at the logs of this. So we can see that it found the mitosis message. And all of this gobbledygook, this is the HTML that you're going to see in a minute in the email. And if we go a little further, we're going to see, I think we might have passed it. Here it is. There's a unit called light. So there was a unit called light and a unit called mitosis. So if I come back to the inbox, we can see here that teacher 4, these have been marked as read. And in the teacher 4 inbox, they've gotten an email from the curriculum account. And it looks exactly like an email you would get if you were subscribed to the notifications of that Google document. So that's how it works. I'm going to post a view-only copy of this commenting Google Sheet for you to get started on setting up your own notification. So just remember, you'll have to change the search parameters of the inbox and work from there. But I hope you've enjoyed this idea, and thanks for watching. Bye.